In front of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this HUWAEI. Firstly, you need to install your new default app. I already have mine over here, so I can go into settings right away. Now you need to scroll down and tap on apps section. Following that, click on default apps and tap on one of those sections. I wish to change more browsers, I have to click on browser app, tap on this one to set it up, and simply go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!